When it comes to machinery safety, compromise is never an option, so it can be difficult to find an integrated safety controller that is cost-effective for use on smaller machines. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The Banner SC10 Safety Controller replaces the functions of 2 or more safety relay modules and has an intuitive user interface with advanced diagnostics. The controller can be used with a full range of different safety devices, removing the need to hold stocks of different safety relay modules dedicated to specific safety devices. There are 2 6-amp safety relay outputs, each with 3 sets of normally open contacts, and the onboard industrial Ethernet interface provides up to 256 virtual non-safe status outputs and 80 virtual non-safe inputs. The SC10 Safety Controller is easy to program with drag and drop PC configuration, and the configuration data can be downloaded to multiple controllers via the onboard micro USB port. And you can find out more about the Banner SC10 Safety Controller from Turck Australia. Give them a call on 1300 132 566 or visit turck.com.au. And thanks for watching.